Smart e-learning. Liceo Sinaí. Teachers Debbie Ugalde, Ivania Arias, and Alan Solis. Description of innovation. Because the Ministry of Public Education intends teachers to include the use of cell phones in their pedagogical practices, a series of activities are proposed here to use it as a tool and help the students improve their linguistic skills. Next, you will find an example of a lesson.
Our domain is socio-interpersonal and socio-transactional. The scenario is hanging out in my community. The theme was fun, free, and otherwise. For the enduring understanding, we decided to use fun activities shared with others make life better. Also, for the essential question, we used what makes our life enjoyable. Learn to know. The grammar and sentence frame that we used was present simple, using how much and how many, with common uncountable nouns. The vocabulary that we used was percentage, discount, half price, and many more. The phonology that we used was long U, short U, interdental consonants, and post-alveolar consonants. The function, asking for repetition and clarification, and understanding using prices and numbers. The discourse markers, let me see, and asking for clarification. Learn to be and live in community. As you can see, we have used psychosocial, sociocultural, and idioms and quotes.
Pedagogical mediation and didactic sequence. For participating, we had students play Kahoot in groups. Then to engage students, we used questions such as, what do you love to shop? What is your favorite store? For introducing, a PowerPoint presentation was used in order to review grammar rules and vocabulary related to shopping. Assessment strategies and evidences of learning. The learner recognizes familiar words, names, numbers, and prices, and times previously learned when heard in a short, simple demonstration delivered at a slow pace. Planning and monitoring, and listening for the first time. For the pre-listening, students answer the following questions. How often do you go shopping? Do you go on special occasions? What is a special occasion? What kind of things would you buy at the department store? In listening for the first time, the teacher shares a link via WhatsApp for students to watch and listen to the video. Learners identify the situation and share orally with their peers and teachers.
Good morning, Dylan. Do you know what day it is today?
Yes, Mom. Today is Sunday, and our family day.
Yes, you're right. And what else?
I'm not sure. Is there any other special day?
Okay. Let me play some music for you.
Peer group and feedback. In this part, students share their understanding and strategies used to support each other. After this, we have listening for the second time. Learners listen again and send a text message using WhatsApp. They follow this situation that says, you must pretend to be Dylan's mother and send a text to his father in order to tell him that you are already heading home. Tell him what you bought at the department store and ask him what kind of surprise did he prepare. After this, we have the assessment strategies and evidences of learning. The assessment strategies used were SI1, which says uses basic expressions of greeting, farewell, leave takings, and politeness. And SI4, ask and answer simple questions about different activities, directions, prices, schedules if the other person speaks slowly and clearly. Spoken production. The students were asked to work in pairs to follow a QR code to read their assigned situation. After this, they would go to rehearsing. Students rehearse by following an outline before recording their conversation. Producing. Students record their audios and share it on their WhatsApp group. Evaluating. Teacher and learners listen to all of the recordings and comment about accomplishments, strategies used, and what they needed to improve. This is what they came up with at the end of the class.
Hi, Grace. Hi, Uncle. What happened? I look at you thoughtful.
Yes, I like to new cell phone for me, but I don't know what is the best brand.
Can I help you?
Yes, come with me at the store.
Welcome. Can I help you?
I want to buy a new cell phone, but I don't know what is the best.
Come here. We have 3 brands: iPhone, Samsung, and Alcatel.
What is the best?
The iPhone have more memory than others. The Samsung is more cheaper, but the Alcatel comes in colors.
Decided.
Where is going to buy the Alcatel?
How much is that?
The Alcatel cell phone is $4.
I want to bring on one.
Thanks for shopping.